In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Roblox error code 279. This error can be a real hassle, interrupting your gaming experience and preventing you from enjoying your favorite games on Roblox. But don't worry, with a few simple steps, you can resolve this issue and get back to having fun in no time. Let's start by understanding what might be causing this error. Error code 279 typically relates to connectivity issues that prevent your device from establishing a proper connection with the Roblox server. This can arise from network settings, browser choices, or even security software blocking the connection. Now, knowing this, let's move on to the solutions. First, one of the simplest yet most effective fixes is to check your internet connection. Make sure your device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. If your connection is flickering or weak, try rebooting your router by turning it off, waiting for about 10 seconds, and then turning it back on. This might sound elementary, but ensuring a strong connection is foundational in solving this error. Next, you may want to examine your browser settings. Not all browsers work seamlessly with Roblox, so using a recommended browser is crucial. If you're using an unusual or outdated browser, consider switching to a more common one like Google Chrome or Firefox. Cleansing your browser's cache and cookies can also clear up any data snafus that might be causing connectivity interruptions. To do this, simply go to your browser settings and look for the option to clear browsing data. Once there, check for cached images and cookies, then hit clear. In some cases, your firewall or antivirus might be the culprit behind error code 279, as they can accidentally block the connection. To tackle this, you should add Roblox to the list of allowed programs. Access your firewall or antivirus settings and add an exception for Roblox. Make sure to save these settings before exiting. If you're using a custom DNS or proxy server, this might also contribute to network problems. Switching to Google's public DNS can sometimes solve these issues. Go to your network settings and replace your existing DNS servers with Google's, which are 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. Don't forget to save these changes before getting back to playing Roblox. Lastly, let's ensure that Roblox is up to date. Double-check if there is a pending update that you haven't installed. Simply head over to the app settings and look for updates if you've installed Roblox through the App Store, or reinstall Roblox entirely if required. There you have it. Follow these steps, and you should be able to fix Roblox error code 279. Remember, technology can be fickle, so patience is key. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!